In Staex, we thrive to make our lives better by protecting our critical infrastructure. Things like charging stations, drones, cars surround us in our everyday lives. This infrastructure to make these things secure is very complicated today. And this is what Staex addresses. We provide fully automated and integrated security suite for smart things. We make sure that in the future, humans maintain the agency over machines and not the other way around.
Staex is a great example of a bridge between Web 2 companies and Web 3 tools. Smart contracts, tokenization, and capturing data that is immutable for reporting. We're using Web 3 tools and allowing corporations today capture innovative use cases, but also adding new business opportunities and new business revenues.
Staex is not only a very unique example of a company based in Berlin, bred in Berlin. Staex is important for Berlin because building a real use case of Web3 in industry is a lighthouse project.
This is a project that makes innovation become real.
What I do see is that the application is not limited to one market field. You can actually transfer this into different kinds of areas, and that is the great thing about it.